All right, y'all, I have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is this property where these trails sit, it's been sold. My childhood home and in the backyard, it's gone. Someone's coming through, they're gonna tear down all the trees, they're gonna wipe out the whole house, and they're gonna wipe out my backyard trail. So it's sad to see it go, but the good news is we're back here digging one last time before that's over. Let's take a look at how that went. Today's day one of rebuilding the backyard trails, and it's been raining a lot lately, so I'm just gonna focus on getting this place cleaned up and getting dirt moved into place so it can start being shaped tomorrow. Alrighty, it's day 3, the big day. Everything's shaped, well, except for that landing, that's not shaped at all, but that's because I need to hit the big jump and see if it works. So here comes the scary part. Okay, I've got some decisions to make. So the trail bike with its full suspension will suck up any mistakes I make. But then the dirt jumper, being a hardtail, will move faster and hopefully I won't make those mistakes. So, it's go time. Alright, the jump was awful. It was more of a dirt wall than a dirt jump, but I've reshaped it and now we're gonna try again. Woo! Oh my god! That thing was huge! Woo! Whew, it is a relief to know that that jump works. Now I gotta pack in this landing and start stacking clips. Let's go. Let's do a bike swap. Alrighty y'all, well that's it for the backyard trail building series. I really enjoy everybody who's hopped on the train when I started this thing. When I first started building these backyard trails, I didn't even have 100 subscribers on my channel and now I'm at 230. So thank you for everybody who's been supporting me. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for liking these videos. It means a lot to me. So this build was for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it.